Do you already have your 1,000 subscribers and you are wondering how you're going to get your 4,000 watch hours? Not 400, but 4,000 watch hour. Here I have some secrets that I'm going to be dishing out to you. If you just follow these steps, you are sure to get 4,000 watch time very easily. I'll be telling you some people that did the same thing and they are there already. So if you are that person that wants to get 4,000 watch hours in 7 days, please join me here. Let's dive into the video. Hello, my beautiful people. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Biobele Wise. And if you're an OG, thanks for always coming back. All right, let's dive into this. If watch time is your problem, here is the solution. All right, so I'm just going to give you two secrets here. Try out these two secrets and come back to thank me. These two secrets work like magic any day, anytime. In 7 days, you're going to come back with some testimonies. All right, the very first one is the flood method. The very first method is the flood method. What do I mean? All right, now if you are this person that uploads shorts, you upload shorts a lot, right? Some people say don't upload shorts. I'm not in that line of thoughts. I'm telling you what I've seen, what I've experienced. Okay, like one of my videos that had very little view. I tried this flood method and I gained lots and lots of views and watch time hours. Yes, I got it. The flood method. What do I mean by that? You upload shorts. Shorts are very easy to upload. Seconds, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and whatever. It's very, you can upload so many shots in a day, right? Good. Now, before you upload your shots, what do you do? After the editing, your thumbnail, your description, and all that, there is one particular tool there. And what's that tool? Related video. If you have a video that you know that has good quality and you've spent so much time, this video is good, right? Like it's irresistible rather. Make that video your related video. It worked for me and it worked for some other people. I tried and it worked. So ensure that, or maybe if you just upload a new video, relate or connect all your shots to that video. This is working like magic. Connect those shots to this video. And shorts is being viewed by many people. The audience for shorts is much. Yes, we know that there are some people that don't like watching long form video, but for the fact that the video is related in that short, it can lead them to watch that video. And by so doing, your watch time hour is increasing. I'm not just telling you stories. This is what happened to me. And I got more views, more watch times. If you want to get more watch time, whenever you upload a new video or you have a video you think is well edited, a video you think is something that is going to be irresistible to people, ensure you relate all your shots to this video. Always use this video as your related video. Even if it's not related to the shots, no problem. Just go on. You're going to get watch time hours very fast. Do this and come back to tell me. The second tip and the most important and the one that works like magic is live streaming. Now, it's not just live, going live, maybe silent live, whatever. We have so many people come to tell you different things, but this particular one, you are safe with it. If you do this, you are safe. If you do this, it's safe. You are not afraid of your channel being banned or demonetized and all that because it's very legal and straightforward. Live streaming. Now, not just any kind of live streaming. Go ensure you go live. There's this YouTuber I know we discuss as well. If you can have a particular time you go live streaming, that would be beautiful. Go live at that particular time. If you do that for 7 days, you are sure going to have a spike, or like your watch time hours will so increase. Like you will come back and tell me thank you, because people will now be waiting for you. The algorithm will also be aware that so time this person, so they will push more, bring more people to your live stream. Now the thing here is that it's not the number of hours you spend live streaming, the people that come into your live streaming, and the number of hours or minutes they stay there. So that takes me to the next thing I want to say about live streaming. It's not just going live streaming. What do you do? What do you do while you are live streaming? Will determine what we keep these people. There was one particular live streaming I did. I was telling them a story, a very interesting story. Do you know that people stayed? More people came in that particular live streaming. I got about 900 and something views, and that was my first time. And if I tell you the watch time I got in that particular live streaming, oh my god. So if you can do things like that regularly, within 7 days you can hit your 4,000 subscribers. And another thing again, and I got this particular clip from a YouTuber here, D Juma. I don't know if you know her, the kind of things she does. While she got her 4,000 watch hours in 7 days. And it depends on you. If you can do it, why not? Right? If something is good and you wait and it's in line with your beliefs and what you can do, up into it. Don't wait for anybody. You are the most important person. Do what works for you. All right. So, what was she doing? Or what did I get from her strategy? Her strategy is that she was going live like in a day. If you come in the morning, you will see her live streaming, afternoon, evening, night. She's live streaming. But the secret here is that what she does, her live stream is always with action. You know, when you are doing something, people will be interested in it and they would want to stay longer. It's either she's doing her dishes, she's active, she's moving, right? She's moving, she's doing something. So when she's doing her dish, you see 200 people watching at the same time. She gets so many thousand views and watch time hours. You can, like she said, you can get up to 200 watch time hours in just a live stream of 2 hours, 3 hours. Then another thing again, you can do your laundry. Like I said, action, the action, what you do while live streaming is very important. Ensure you are doing something. She does laundry too. As you are moving, you are coming, you are moving, you are coming, people will remain. So as they remain in your live stream, as they are watching you, your watch time hours is increasing. So even if you are lying down, you are talking. Another thing again, you are talking. Like talk to your audience. Ensure you respond to them. Ensure. So I've been to somebody's live stream where she was talking and talking. People were making comments. She was not responding. People started leaving. All right. So if you are live streaming, ensure it's backed with action. It's backed with action. Ensure you are doing something that they can see, that can interest your audience to stay back with you. If you do this consistently for 7 days, I bet you are going to have your thousands of subscribers without fear. All what YouTube is interested in, you are keeping the audience glued to your channel, and that is it. So imagine if you have like 5 minutes average view. If people stay like 5 minutes on the average on your live stream, and then they are about 100, for instance. So imagine 5 minutes times 100. How many watch hours will that give to you? So that's the secret here I've come to tell you. So please ensure you, the two things I said here, the flood method relates, make your videos, your related videos to your shorts. Don't use another shorts. No, let your videos, your good videos, right? Make them the related videos in all your shorts. That's the flood method. Then the second method is live streaming. Not just any kind of live streaming, but live streaming with action. Live streaming with action is the game changer here. So thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, why not just give me a like, put in a comment, and share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to this video so that when next I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thanks again one more time. See you in my next video. Bye.